Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric scooter motor. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is dual drive folding scooter motor. Specifications: motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Certification, CE. Application, dual drive kit. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is Ninebot F40. Specifications: voltage, 36 volts. Model number, F40 motor. Type, scooter engines. Use, for Ninebot F30 kick scooter. Use 2, for Ninebot F40 motor. Size, 10 by 2.125. As the item number 3 we've selected, 10-inch dual drive electric motor. Specifications: motor size, 10 inches. Voltage, 52 to 60 volts. Power, 1600 to 3000 watts. Magnet height, 45 h. Tire, off-road tire. Open size, 130 mm. Motor shaft length, 185 mm. Applicable, 5800 watts dual drive scooter. Item number 2 is 450W wheel hub motor. Specifications: voltage, 48 volts. Model number, Max G2 motor. Type, wheel. Use, Ninebot Max G2. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 2000W Hall motor. Specifications: brand name, KWHL. Model number, Cabo WW motor. Type, scooter motors. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.